Okay, so let's start with a mukbang. Okay, food. I think it's been a while since I've eaten golgappa or papdi. Cheers. Anyways, so hey, what's up? So today's video is going to be a little bit different than what you have seen in my channel. It's been a long time since I'm seeing these videos where people kind of try different aesthetics, and I don't know why, but for me those videos are so damn cool to watch, and I just wanted to create my own version of it. So here I am making a video in which I'll try different aesthetics. Since I wanted to make these videos, I wanted to go with different outfits that I can put together according to the aesthetic. Also, I just wanted to try the makeup part too. Makeup and me are like not good friends, but still I wanted to give it a try. Also, I would really like to know what you think about me creating multiple videos in this series. Tell me, do you want like a single video on every aesthetic, or you want different videos on different aesthetics? Alright kids, so I have gathered some of the things. I think most of the things that I was able to find in my closet in my actually technically closet, because my makeup drawer is in my closet. So let's start with the moisturizer. Bro, my moisturizer does the job of a primer also, I think. So just in case if you want to know, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is in the shade ka rehta bhai, pure beige. Let's open this. So should I like, oh, the product is coming out, bro. I'm so nervous because obviously I don't want to waste the product, because it cost me $6.95, almost 700 rupees for a concealer. I actually said it loud and my parents heard it. I bought makeup for 700 rupees. They'll kill me now. They'll kill me, bro. You know what? Let's start. Oh, my eyelids. Bro, it's overflowing now. I really don't want to mess things up, bro. Oh my god.
2,000 years later.
This looks weird, bro. I'm already regretting making this video. How does these makeup gurus their makeup turn out to be so beautiful? I don't know. I just want to get rid of the dark circle. I think no concealer in this world can help me getting rid with the dark circles that I have. You know what's totally fine, me wasting the products, because I never use any of these products, so it's totally fine. Wasting for me is like using it, so why not? Nothing is helping me, bro. Do these two even look similar? No, they don't. Let me fix things. No, I look a little bit different. I mean, a lot different with huge eyebrows. But you know what? We'll go for it. The whole purpose of making this video is to see whether this aesthetics fits me or not. So we'll go and try everything that this aesthetic is all about. We'll start with the eyelids now. So I have this brush. I hope that this does the purpose. I don't know. She has this eyeshadow under her eyes as well, like the pink eyeshadow. I have this freaking random palette and it has a wide ton of colors, but these are flaky colors, not of good quality. See, it doesn't have any pigment. Since we have started it, let's do it. Okay. I don't know whether it's because of the lighting or I can't figure things out right now. Just because I'm doing it the very first time, I feel like it's a lot. Let's see, let's proceed. I kind of did good in the eyeliner part, I believe. I think now I'm kind of liking my look. I don't know. Each and every picture that you see in the soft girl aesthetic, you will notice a huge amount of blush onto their cheek. Oh, I should use a bigger brush for this as well. Now it's time for the nose, bro. Do I look like a cartoon character? I don't know. Oh my god, I did a lot. After all, it's an aesthetic, right? I will look like a cartoon character. My whole nose is red, bro. Since now I'm like used to it, it really doesn't feel that bad. Now it's a mirror, you can actually see your face on my nose. Oh my god, this is a peach color and it looks red on the camera. Soft girls like having lip glosses, but apparently I don't own a gloss either, so I'm going with Vaseline. I'm hoping that it will do the same thing. It's not that bad. It could have been more like worse, but it's not, and I'm like still looking sane. This is, I think, the final look. I don't know how I look. Please tell me how I look. Okay, so I'll have to do a
Disclaimer: while I was filming the outfits I was listening to BTS, so you might see me dancing and singing. Please ignore it.
So for the first outfit, I'm wearing this blue denim jeans and a pink long sweater. I tucked the sweater in from the front. For hair, I already did these two thin braids on the front and just pulled the hair up into a ponytail. And there you go. It's a very cozy sweater, it totally gives me soft girl vibes. For accessories, I went with this bag. It's actually pink, but I don't know why it appears red or dark pink. The second outfit is one of my favorites in this lookbook. This dress is the prettiest. It has these mesh detailing all over, and I have been loving anything mesh lately. I think cause it complements my messy life. Okay, bad joke. For accessories, I'm taking this purse. For shoes, I was kinda confused between the tie-ups and the shoes. I went with the shoes because it went well with the theme, the soft girl theme that I was going for. Next up, okay, so this is me showing my first ever purchase from Levi's. This lookbook was incomplete without a sweater vest. So for this outfit, you can flip the excess fabric in, or you can do what I did. That is, I neatly tucked in the sweater in the pants, and the 90s are back. I don't know why this winter's sweater vests were like trending, and this sweater vest is not mine, it is my father's, and I love it. I love the neutral colors and the fit of it on my body. I'll probably just steal it from my father one day, but yeah, for now I'm like borrowing it from him. For shoes, I'm going with a pair of Snickers and this bag which has warm neutral tones. Alright, next is me wearing this beautiful dress and doing some weird ass shit. Anyways, I added a belt to give myself a little bit structure and a denim jacket cause a young woman is known for her modesty, isn't it? Anyways, for shoes, I was also confused again. These black ones were my preference, but I wasn't able to find white socks, so these beige shoes with that bag which is not orange, and yeah, that's my outfit. So here's me trying to show how I mixed and matched the neutrals. That is my belt, my shoes and my bag. I hope that you get that, and I hope that you like this outfit. I like this outfit too. Yeah. Next, I wore the Levi's denim jeans again and a pink crop top, which is so damn cute. This is a very go-to day-to-day outfit if you live in an area where wearing crop tops is normal. Clearly, I have a small collection of bags, so I'm repeating the same bag which is not orange. Next outfit is a cold appropriate outfit, at least for the top portion of your body. So I'm wearing this beige skirt with a white high neck or a turtleneck sweater. If you feel a little bit colder than normal people like me, you can top this outfit with a pullover or a crew neck. I use this light beige crop sweater to do that. And yeah, this is the outfit which will prevent you from freezing and keep you warm and cozy. Okay, so next is a very casual one. You might have seen these trousers a lot in my channel, but these are my favorite, like one of my favorite pair. So I paired these trousers with one of my white t-shirts. For accessories, I went with this cute black bag, which is my sister's, and for shoes I wore one of the white shoes that I have. Next is a very picnic appropriate outfit. This check printed dress, I think that's the name of the print, I hope so, yeah. It's very comfortable and it has buttons and it has 2 pockets. Anything that has pockets is my favorite. And here comes the last outfit, which is the outfit that a soft girl would wear at home. You can walk in this outfit, you can jog in this outfit, you can dance in this outfit. I think that I should start rapping now. Anyways, I think that you might have seen this crew neck before, but this top and this bottom is so damn comfortable. I can wear it all day, all night. And yeah, that was it. Those were the outfits along with the makeup. I hope that you liked this video. If you do so, then actually do like the video. And yeah, we'll definitely meet in the next video. Bye!